Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of The Last Trump Card, Chapter 4. So here it is. Let's read the story. Exin and her friend was talking. Her friend said, "What? You're going to Rabbit Casino?" Well, the two of them are talking about this. Her friend won't agree on her coming on the Rabbit Casino. She thinks that you really can go that because for her it's really dangerous. But why? Why can others go? But again, Kexin said to her friend, no matter how dangerous it is just a casino. Kexin, it's different from other casino. No one who has been there has a good ending and heard that. But you haven't been there either, Kexin said to her friend. Besides, don't we still have your ability? If there's a danger, we can just escape in advance. Their friend said, "However, I don't want you in danger." Well, she got really worried about Kexin, but her friend, now she was shaking and suddenly got false. Kexin, she was serious and holding her hands. "Xiaomin, you may not understand my situation." Kexin, she moved closer to Xiaomin. Well, she was trying to explain to her how she really badly needed to go on that private casino. "I really need money right now," Kexin said, "and it's a lot of money. Only the casino can give me the opportunity to achieve." Kexin, she was still trying to convince her friends. Well, on a flashback, of course, she thinks that by going on the casino, she can really earn a lot. But now, it makes sense. What about the capital heard that the minimum capital required is to enter on a rabbit casino is 500,000. Where does your capital came from? Her friend said to her. Well, Kexin said, "So, you agree to go with me?" Well, it seems that she wanted to persuade more her friend to be able to come with her. Kexin said to her friend, "I have figured out a way to raise the principal as long as you." Well, Kexin, she remembers. Back to the hospital. Well, her mother was still on confine, and still, she need a lot of money. Of course, she will do anything just to save her mother. But also on the other side, well, the Smunini, also there. Well, probably on the last encounter, she already had an accident, same with Kexin. Probably, it was more complicated conditions of her. That's why she's been admitted to the hospital. When she turned back, she can see, "You are here," Munini said. Wait, it turns out these two are the really siblings, or if not mistaken, they really look the same. Could it be that they're really a real sister? Well, definitely like a twin. Long time no see. Are you feeling better recently? Well, much better. Now only your sister came to see me. Now, just sit down. So it turns out the girl is really her sister. Don't worry, I'm here. Everything will be fine. Just need to focus on recuperating and don't worry about anything else. Well, sister, today hasn't come yet as you used to come to visit me often, Munini said to her sister. Now it makes sense. Could it be that her sister said to her, "I met Han Kexin." Now her sister is trying to set her about Han Kexin, that the two of them finally meet. "Kexin, where is she? How did you find her?" Munini said to her sister. So it turns out she was really interested on Kexin. Is she okay? You still can let go of that. But the sister said, "You still haven't let go of Kexin." Well, Nini, it weren't for her. How could you become what you are now? It weren't for her. Our parents would have died tragically. You still can forget. Okay, I get it. Take her to the VIP lunch to wait for me. Now, it makes sense. So this girl, she's the owner of that club. and it makes sense. Don't worry, Nini. Well, her sister said to her. Now, it seems that Kexin or Xiaomi was also on the Rabbit Casino and now they're waiting for the little girl. I won't do anything to her, her sister said to Munini. So it turns out Munini, she disappeared, she got suffered, and also she's been confined on the hospital, and now her sister, well, do you think, is she going to take revenge because of what happened to Munini? Well, we can really wait to see. On a Rabbit Casino, it seems that there's a lot of people inside and playing games, but these two, they're waiting for the person. It turns out it was the sister of Munini, the person who's really disliking her. But what should we do now? Just wait? Well, Xiaomi said to Kexin. Still, the two of them, they really look afraid of. Sounds of the door, and it was opening. So, this young girl, Munini's sister, is going to entertain them. His son arrived as promised. How about it? Are you ready to start the gambling? Well, the girls said. But, Kexin, at this moment, you are from the Mu family. What is your relationship with Munini? Where is she now? Kexin said to her. Well, it seems that the girl, she's really getting interested on hers. Why should I tell you? You're gonna be. Well, the girl said, if you can defeat me, I'll tell you everything. You have to understand, in my Rabbit Casino, anything can be a fit. A word, a message, a body, or even a life. I do. Tell me, what do you want to be? Well, it seems that Kexin, she is really getting intimidated by this girl. Don't be impatient. Before we start the game, there's a special rule around the casino that you should know. The special rule. Xiaomi said, your Rabbit Casino does not prohibit any cheating tactics as long as you have the ability. Well, it seems that it was easy for the two of them. However, if your tricks is discovered by your opponent, then you must unconditionally obey your opponent's one's order and not resist. How about it? Do you dare to come? Well, Miss Mo said to them, do you think they really can play this game or they will run and don't want to continue the game? Well, let's see what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!